No babies yet.
Oh goodness, no. It's just so funny.
Good. Hands forward. Good. Just keep your body still. Sit up. Good. Now bring your shoulders back, but get her in front of your leg. Good. Good. Now when did her horse look at the jump? Did you guys pay attention?
Very last second.
No, it was looking at the jump back here.
Oh.
You put her head up, her eyeballs on her, she's like, oh.
You're part of the jump.
So she's a fast processor, so she figured by the time she got there.
She's a smarty pants.
Good. Make sure you're not pushing with your body the last 3 strides. You're making her flat. This is lovely here, but you're pushing her the last 3 and making her flat. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. There. Nice.
Lovely.
Hey, this horse is going to go through the floor pretty fast.
Oh my gosh.
Also, this horse is 7 or 6. It's not like it's 4.
I think she's 7. Yeah, screw the training poles.
Yeah.
That's what she has to say
says,
about
I don't
that.
need
Did you feel the difference on